can spread out and take the doorway if you don't want to squish in there, that's fine too. Anyway, we do have a couple of safety reminders today. We need all hands, arms, and legs inside the boat at all times, fully seated on our back pockets, and supervise any kids because I won't. Face coverings over your nose, under the chin throughout the entire journey as well if I see a single nostril. I will turn this boat around, scream. It's not easy, but I'll do it. Alright, looks like we're almost ready. And we are clear. Pick up a hand, wave goodbye to those nice people up there on the dock. Bye! Now wave goodbye to the people over here too. Bye! They just really like to stare, don't they? It's okay though, you'll never see them again. Anyway, welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Allison. That's gonna be, gosh, first name Skipper, last name Allison. So let's see where we're headed today, shall we? Ooh, looks like we're gonna stop by the Amazon rainforest to start our journey. Now the first thing you're gonna notice over here on my left are these beautiful Amazon butterflies. Now a little fun fact about these guys, they can actually grow up to 12 inches. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. That pretty much makes them the rulers of the jungle. Yeah, true monarchs. Also over here, you're going to notice what we like to call Inspiration Falls. Now I know you're wondering, Skipper Allison, why would they call it Inspiration Falls? Well, I have heard that if you stare into those falls long enough, it'll inspire just about anyone to go deeper and deeper into the jungle, which is what we're going to do. Now, has anyone here ever seen a little thing called the Jungle Book before? Jungle Book? Awesome, awesome. If you haven't seen it in a while, that is okay. You want to know why? Because it's right over there on that crate. Isn't it beautiful? The Jungle Book. Now, it looks like we are heading into the Congo River where... Oh, that's embarrassing. There was actually supposed to be a welcoming party for you guys over there. Huh. Maybe something scared them off? Will you guys help me look around, see anything scary? What are you looking at? Please tell me there's nothing behind me. No, you're joking. If there's something behind me, I'm gonna scream. Oh, no. Oh my gosh, I hate snakes. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh. And I was gonna stop and grab you guys some snacks, but it looks like the interns beat us to it. Now, these guys have been really driving me bananas lately, and look what they did to my Jeep! Gosh, they painted it blue. I'm just kidding. They finally got it to turn over, which is great. I've been trying for weeks. Now, it looks like we are heading into the Nile River part of our journey, which is even better, even better. You know, it is the longest river. Some say it even goes on for Niles? And Niles, and Niles. It's crazy. What's that? Oh my gosh, there's elephants. Okay, hi there. That is so neat, wow. I actually have a really fun fact about elephants. Did you guys know that out of all the animals in the jungle, the elephant has one of the best memories? Isn't that so neat? I wish I had a memory like that. I could remember anything. Anyway, over here's our sandstone formation. Now it is one of our bolder attractions. But a lot of people do take it for granted. It's so sad, I know, but personally, I think it rocks. Hopefully you do too. Oh. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Oh, that sleeping zebra is being guarded over by that family of lions. How sweet is that? My gosh. Oh. No way. You guys, I was supposed to pick up some people here. This is crazy. There also must be a million rocks on that beach. That's wild. What a rhino, honestly. I can't count past 10. Anyway, come on, a fun fact for the road. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I know. Okay, did you guys know that out of all the animals in the jungle, the elephant has one of the best memories? Isn't that so neat? I wish I had a memory like that. I could remember anything. Speaking of remembering, I may have forgotten which way we're supposed to turn at the waterfall. Does anyone know? You look like you know. Should we go left or right? This way? Are you positive? You agree? We go this way? Okay, we're gonna go this way. Hold on. You need to start working out. You guys okay? Good? Schweitzer Falls, named after the famous explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. I think you're right. Hey, there's my apartment. It's a really cool Airbnb. Oh, no. Looks like these hippos have taken over our swimming pool again. What do we do? Okay, I really hope no one has any marbles in their pockets because they kind of look hungry. Let's get out of here. You know, someone did actually warn me that this part of the jungle was really scary. But I have no idea what they're talking about. Because this looks like an awesome party getting started. Should we swing by? Party. Okay, let's go. I wish we had time to stop. It looks like so much fun. However, they are saying something about an bush. Not really sure what that plant looks like. If you see it, you can go ahead and point it out. Be very What are you guys looking at? Oh! Hi there! Do you guys know where the ambush is? No? Okay, thanks anyway. Sorry, I'm really embarrassed. I'm gonna have to look up what it looks like. No way! This is amazing! We found the 8th wonder of the world! He's back! Side! O2H! That's fun. Alright. Yep. Oh. This is interesting. I've actually never been this way before. Kinda looks like, secret, scary, hidden jungle temple. Do you guys think we should go inside?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's go. Now, just in case there happens to be like, I don't know, an 80-foot drop, this might be a good time to put on your seatbelt to go left or right. Okay, these elephants like to spray the boats. Okay. Good elephant. Good boy. Okay, we're gonna sneak right past. This is good. No, there's another one! Okay, we're gonna go full speed this time. I think we can make it. Come on, baby. Come on. No, I'm so sorry. Get down. Just kidding. You know, a lot of people, they think that that's water that they squirt out of their trucks, but anyway, looks like we are approaching the most dangerous part of our journey today, which is going to be the return to civilization. So I know after 2 weeks in the jungle, it's going to be a little scary at first, but I believe in you guys. You can do it. You're tough now. So as we are going to be docking shortly, okay, let's keep our hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. That includes elbows. Watch out for those on the dock side. Really don't want you guys to experience any unnecessary peer pressure, because it is a dock. Make sure you also stay seated until we come to a complete stop, because only crazy people stand up on moving boats, don't they? I think we're all in agreement on that one, huh? Make sure you also exit out the door. You came in okay, no crossing over. It's not a great idea. Could also lead to a catastrophe in crossing over. It is more for the haunted mansion. We don't really do that here. We are not equipped to deal with that. Besides, you were all too young to cross over. Yeah. Oh, man. Alright, looks like we're gonna hang out here for just a couple moments. Honestly, all jokes aside, you guys know we like to joke around a lot here at the Jungle Cruise. Gotta tell ya, out of all my cruises today, you guys have been the most recent. So thank you so much for that. Honestly, give yourselves a round of applause. Absolutely, yeah. I'm just kidding again, you guys. You've been outstanding. But, in just a few short moments, you two will have to be outstanding. Right up there on that job. So, I guess there's really only one thing left for me to say now, isn't there? And that's gonna be... get out. I'm sorry, where's my southern hospitality? I meant... y'all please get out, bless your heart. Okay, bye-bye now. Watch your head and stuff. Use those handrails.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift.
Prioritize. Detachments